Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. This is Taiwan Vlog. So for this video ay sasagutin natin ang tanong ng ating subscribers. So kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko at hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, huwag mo nang tagalan, mag-subscribe ka na para lagi kang updated sa ating mga chika. So ayan, ano nga ba ang broker interview? So pag nag-apply kayo dito sa Hong Kong based ito sa experience ko ha, merong 3 interview na pagdadaanan natin. So kung mag-apply ka direct, dadaan ka pa rin yata ng broker interview, yung agent ng agency dito sa Hong Kong. Then so ang i-share ko sa inyo based sa experience ko kasi first time ko magpa-interview, mag-apply as DH dito sa Hong Kong. So kabado talaga ayan, ang English pa natin, ang baon nating English ay hindi ganon kadami, o diba? Yun. Tapos, ang unang interview ay broker interview nga. Ayan. So, ano nga ba ang unang mga tanong? Ayan. Kailangan pag nagpa-line up ka, pumunta ka doon, ay alam mo na yung introduce yourself. Magpapakilala ka, pangalan, edad, address, natapos mo, kasal ka ba, mga anak, kapatid, tapos yung trabaho mo, ano ang mga duties mo doon, gaano ka katagal. Dapat tanda mo yung date kasi tatanungin siya kailan ka nag-start at natapos. Then pagkatapos, pag na-explain mo na yan, may mga follow-up questions sila tulad sa akin, tinanong ako kung gaano ko ba nga katagal gustong magtrabaho dito sa Hong Kong. So, ang tips ko sa inyo, habaan nyo na, sabihin nyo na ng 10 years. Ako yun ang sinagot ko kasi, alam nyo naman, marami ding amo na naghahanap ng kunyang na tatagal din sa kanila. 'Di ba? Kasi mahirap yung papalit-palit din. So, isa yan sa points na matatandaan ka. Na may matatandaan sa'yo yung nag-i-interview sa'yo. So, ako nung tinanong ako ng ganyan, sabi ko, 10 years sir, sabi ko ganyan, inulit-ulit ko pa. Tapos pinalo-upan ko. Kasi yung English ko hindi ko na si sentence. Kasi wrong grammar ako. So, sabi ko, 10 years sir, 10 years. For my dream, ganyan ako din. Tips ko sa inyo, para hindi kayo ma-distract, para makafocus kayo sa kausap nyo, sa mga tanong, para lalo na pag limited lang yung English natin, huwag kayong tumingin sa kung saan-saan. Para wala kayong ma-skip na tanong. Once na na-distract kasi kayo, may isa na kayong tanong na hindi nasagot, na hindi narinig, so mali na. Nandun pa yung kaba kasi first timer ka at yung English mo ay alam mo na. So, dapat ang technique yun ang ginawa ko eye to eye ka talaga sa kausap mo. Huwag kang titingin doon. Kasi ako, ganyan ang inisip ko kasi nahihiya talaga ako sa English ko. Kasi pag natingin ako doon na nakangiti, niisip ko agad na, ala, baka ako na yung tinatawanan. So, may kausap ka so baka may tinanong na siya na hindi mo na narinig o hindi mo naintindihan, so nagkagulo na, mayroon ka nang naligwak ka na, hindi ka na nakapokus. So dapat eye to eye ka talaga sa kausap mo. Ayan. Then yun nga ang sabi ko sa inyo, pag tinanong kayo kung gaano kayo katagal gusto mag-work, sabihin nyo na 10 years. Marami na din akong nag-comment dito sa akin na na-hire sila, ganun din ang sinagot nila, 10 years din. Diba? So, may mga follow-up question sila kung magtanong sa inyo na may kakilala ba kayo dito sa Hong Kong? Sabihin nyo na lang na wala. Ha, kasi karamihan din ng amo ay gusto nila yung mga baguhan na walang kakilala dito, kasi alam nyo na pag medyo experiencado na or may kakilala dito ay medyo palaban na, o diba, palaban. So ang pangalawang interview dahil halimbawa pag nakuha ka ganito kasi yung way ng agency na in-applyan ko. Unang interview, isang araw lang yan na mangyayari. Unang interview, broker, kung may pumili sa'yo, salang ka sa pangalawang interview, sa employer interview. Then pag confirm hire ka, BTR. Yan. Pero sa ibang agency dai, papagawain ka muna ng BTR, din ibebenta. Hahanapan ka ng amo dito sa Hong Kong. So, mag-aantay ka ng matagal. Dito sa in-applyan ko, on that day, malalaman mo agad kung hire ka o hindi. Kaya pwede ka bumalik kung kailan sila ulit may interview. Ganon. So, sa pangalawang interview dahil employer interview. Then doon, mag-uusap kayo ng amo mo sa mga agreements, yung mga ganyan. Ano ang magiging duties mo dito? Okay lang ba sa'yo? Ganito, ganyan sa akin. Sasabihin nila sa'yo kung ilan sila, ano aalagaan mo, ganito, may sarili kang ano. Kung hindi man sila magtanong, pwede tayo magtanong dai. Then, ang sa akin nun, okay lang ba sa'yo gumising sa madaling araw? Anong month ba pwede mag-start kumain ang bata? Then, ano ang mga ipapakain mo sa bata? Yung mga ganyan. So, mostly kasi ang mga job order dito sa Hong Kong ay bata. Bata talaga. So, pag okay ka, wala ka ng tanong, wala nang ano si amo mo, pag kinonfirm ka niya dahil na hired, so, dito na papasok si BTR. So, ayan, may ipapakita ako sa inyo dyan na video. Ang experience ko dito dahil kasi dito dahil kailangan tuloy-tuloy dahil kung ano yung sinulat mo doon sa biodata mo, dapat tanda mo yun. Ako diba nagsinungaling ako sa sa experience ko. So, dagdag na ka ba yun? Ang English ko pa dahil dagdag na ka ba yun? So, naka-take 3 ako dahil as in, naka-take 3 ako, hindi lahat natapos as in putol. Kasi, dapat doon yung buhok mo nakatali talaga, walang ganyan-ganyan, walang headband, walang makeup, din dapat plain ang damit mo, plain white. Ako plain pink ako . So, ang ginawa namin doon na nakakahiya, na nakakatuwa, na nakakahiya talaga. Makikita nyo dyan, lalagay ko sa dulo. Hindi talaga siya, kasi hindi ko alam yung English ng Banlaw. Doon talaga ako din yung sa una, pangalawa, pangatlo, doon talaga ako sumasabit talaga ako doon dahil sa pagpapaligo na ng bata. Doon ako sumasabit kasi hindi ko nga alam yung Banlaw. Sa pangatlo dahil yung pagpapaligo doon, i-demo mo ang ganito ganyan, English, hindi ko na ma-English. Yung liguan mo na, basain yung ulo, sabunan din. Yung sa yung English ng Banlaw, hindi ko talaga alam. Tapos nagalit na yung nag-interview sa akin. Hindi ka ba nagpapaligo ng anak mo? Sabing ganyan. Sabi ko, ma'am, nagpapaligo. Pero hindi ako nag-i-English talaga. So, tawa nga rin ako ng tawa, day. Kasi yung mga nakakausap ko sa live, day, sabi niya, day, ang una kong napanood sa'yo yung BTR mo. Sabi niya, grabe ako yung nahirapan sa'yo, day. Tawa ko ng tawa. So, ayan, lalagay ko dyan. Nagalit na yung amo. May kalaban yung amo. Lalagay ko dyan.
Hi, Wena. Please introduce yourself. Hello ma'am, my name is Romena Pantaleon from Kawayan City, Bulacan, Philippines. I'm 24 years old. I'm married. I'm Christian. I'm married to Guillermo Pantaleon Jr. My daughter is 4 years old. My son is 6 months old.
Oh, you still have a baby?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, but are you sure you can leave your baby for work?
Yes ma'am, for the better future of my two kids.
Okay, for your kids' future.
Yes ma'am.
But who will take care of your baby if you work in Hong Kong?
My auntie Teresita Elisan po.
Okay. How about your husband? Your husband is also working.
Yes ma'am, as a factory worker.
Okay, then how much you earn every month or every week?
They have salary every 15 days, 7,000.
Every 15 days is
Yes.
7,000, so total of 14,000 every month.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, is it enough for the whole family?
Not enough for ano.
Not enough, so you also need to work
I want
to
to
help
work.
your husband.
Yes.
Okay, then if you work in Hong Kong, how much you will send to your family?
20,000, ma'am.
20,000. And what do you prefer to take care of? Babies, children, elderly, or disabled?
Any job to give me, it's preferred for that.
Okay, you can take care of baby, children, and also elder.
Yes, ma'am, because I have a baby.
Okay, so if your employer have 2 kids, 1 baby and 1 young kid, so you think you can handle?
Yes, ma'am, because my baby is 2.
Okay, you have 2 kids also.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so do you know any baby or kid song?
Yes.
Okay, please try to
I
sing.
will sing. I love you, you love me. We are happy family. When the great big hug, when I kiss from me to you, won't you say you love me too?
Okay, we have another song.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please try again.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky.
Okay, thank you. Do you have work experience before?
Yes, my first experience here in Philippines.
Mm-hmm.
I'm taking care of one couple, one 4 months old baby girl.
Okay.
And other household chores like washing clothes, washing dishes, ironing, marketing, and cooking. And I have taking care of one pet cat.
Oh, I see. Okay. How long did you work here in the Philippines?
I'm finished contract with 8 months extension.
Mm-hmm. So 2 years and 8 months.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. From what year to what year?
May 2017 and to January 2020.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So, what time you wake up and what time sleep?
I wake up at 5 a.m. and sleep at 9 p.m.
Mm-hmm. So when you wake up in the morning, what is the first thing you do?
I'm taking a bath myself and prepare the breakfast for my employer.
You prepare breakfast,
Yes,
okay?
ma'am.
Mm-hmm. But who takes care of the baby at night? Who sleep with the baby at night?
We're share at
Oh, you take care of the baby at night. You share room
Yes.
with the baby.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. But in the morning you prepare breakfast, right?
Yes.
So how's the baby?
The baby is sleeping that
Oh,
time.
okay. So if the baby is sleeping, then you prepare breakfast.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How about lunch and dinner? Do you also cook for lunch and dinner?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you think your cooking is good?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow. So your employer finishes their food every time you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow. Okay. Have you tried cooking Chinese food before?
No, it's only Filipino food.
Filipino food only.
Yes.
But are you willing to learn how to cook Chinese food?
I'm willing to learn.
Okay, that's good. How about your day off? Do you have day off?
I have once a month.
Once a month only.
Yes.
Okay. How about do you know how to make milk?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please show me how.
First of all, you must. This is the bottle is clean sterilize.
Okay.
And put the milk and hot water here in a bottle. And you shake like this. And you try, the temperature is good to feed the baby.
Okay.
Yes.
Then, if you made a very hot milk, what will you do?
I put the cold water. Then I check that if the water is, the milk is,
You will put in a cold water.
yes.
Okay. So can you try to feed the baby?
Okay. Make sure the baby is like this.
Okay.
And you feed the baby until he or she is full.
Okay. So after feeding the baby, what will you do next?
And you put her your shoulder and rub this gently until he birth.
Until the baby gets birth. Baby for how long? How many minutes?
Depend of baby.
It depends on the baby.
Yes.
Okay. Until the baby gets birth.
Yes.
Okay. Then what are the usual reasons why the baby is crying?
The baby's crying. Check the diaper and check the baby's hungry and not feeling well.
Okay. So if the baby is not feeling well, then what will you do?
Check the temperature of the baby. If the temperature is 37 above, the baby is have a fever that you need to inform your madam or sir.
Okay, you will inform your employer immediately. Okay, then if you need to change the diaper of the baby, but the baby keep on moving and moving, so how will you change the diaper?
Before you change the diaper, you play the baby and
Okay.
give some toys.
Okay.
And
So you can change the diaper.
Yes.
Okay. Maybe how many months when the baby's first teeth will come out?
6 months.
6 months. Okay. Then what happened to the baby if she's starting to have teeth?
She have fever.
Having fever?
Yes.
Then what else?
Pupo.
The
Yes.
poop
Yes.
is not normal. Okay. If the baby is starting to eat, what kind of food you can give for the baby?
Cerelac, vegetable like potato and carrots,
Okay.
banana,
Mhm.
apple, some healthy food.
Okay. How about taking a bath of the baby? Do you know how to take a bath of the baby?
Yes.
Okay, please show me how.
You first prepare the needs like diaper, clothes, and towel.
Okay.
And make sure that water is not too cold and not too hot.
Okay.